everybody, welcome to today's video. अभी भी मैं नींद में क्यों लग रही हूँ? Finally मैंने अपने कैमरे के लिए कैमरा स्टिक खरीदी. Let me fix it first. Okay, मैंने कैमरा स्टिक इसलिए खरीदी ताकि हमेशा आपको यूं करके मेरी वीडियो ना देखनी पड़े, दूर से देखनी पड़े और मेरा फेस ज्यादा डरावना ना लगे आपको. आज मैंने न्यू लेंस पहने अपने ओ लेंस वीवी रिंग समथिंग. आईज काफी नेचुरल लग रही हैं बट मुझे अपने पुराने वाले ही लेंस पसंद आए और मुझे उनका नाम भी याद नहीं है कि क्या नाम था. आज मुझे कहीं जाना है सोल से बाहर. हम एक नए बीच पे जाएंगे और ये मेरे न्यू हेयर पर्पल करना था, पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है हमेशा. और मेकअप मैंने कुछ ज्यादा खास नहीं किया, बस ऐवी. So one more thing I wanted to say, like you all know I have acne prone skin and recently I've been using, where is this? Okay, recently I've been using this product. This is by the brand DermaCo and DermaCo brand is from India. और जब मैं इंडिया में थी तो मैं बहुत दिनों से इस ब्रांड को ट्राई करना चाहती थी. उन्होंने मेरे को इंडिया से कोरिया में भेजा ये प्रोडक्ट. Recently I've been using this product called 10% niacinamide serum from the brand DermaCo. Now DermaCo brand is developed by a dermatologist and they have right amount of active ingredient in their product, are safe to use and have no side effects. This has 10% niacinamide and they always tell you like what percentage of active ingredients they included in their product. About this product, this has 10% niacinamide, also known as vitamin 3. I've used niacinamide before but not in same concentration. This ingredient helps to fade away acne scars and improve visibly large pores and also prevent aging. And this also has zinc. Zinc regulates the sebum production. Less sebum means less acne, and zinc also even out your skin. These kind of products takes time to give you result, but in 3 days my skin feels more calm and less red. मैं इसे यूज करती हूँ डे एंड नाइट आफ्टर टोनिंग. नायासिनामाइड में ट्राई करना चाहती थी ऑलरेडी, तो फिर मुझे मौका मिला तो मैं अब यूज कर रही हूँ इसे. एंड फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड डर्माको ब्रांड देन चेक आउट माई डिस्क्रिप्शन. और कोरिया में फाइनली फॉल सीजन है और थोड़ी ठंड बढ़ गई है, तो अब ट्रेंच कोट का सीजन आ चुका है. तो या लेट्स गो. I'm very excited to go to New Delhi. We are going to New Delhi. And we have garenji. Do you like tea?
Masala tea, so good with milk.
Sam,
Okay.
I'll bring you tea.
Okay, wonderful. I look forward to it. We are going to my dad's farm
Yeah.
in Seosan.
How many hours?
Around 1 hour 40 minutes.
So I will see you in Seosan. Bye.
Bye. Much more developed than it was. Sweet potato, and now they have apartments and churches and e-marts.
Hey guys, finally हम हैं सोसन में और ये हमारा न्यू रेस्टोरेंट. ओह दिस वन. और ये सिटी काफी सुंदर लग रही है मुझे अभी तक, और काफी शांति है यहाँ पे. या अब हमने डिनर कर लिया है अपना अच्छे से. नाउ वी आर ऑन ब्रिज एंड दे से इट्स लक्की ब्रिज. अब मुझे नहीं पता लक्की ब्रिज क्यों कहते हैं. अगर कोई विश हो मे बी पूरी हो जाती हो आपकी सारी. ये काफी सुंदर है और मेरे नीचे है लेक और इस लेक में काफी सारे लोटस हैं. अभी नाइट टाइम है तो अच्छे से कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. सोल इज ऑलरेडी प्रिटी एंड ब्यूटीफुल, बट व्हेनेवर यू विजिट कोरिया देन गो टू अदर सिटीज लाइक स्मॉल कंट्री साइड सिटीज टू. This is how all Korean kitchen looks like. This mirror. And this is me. Welcome to today's video. हम इस टेंट में ताकि हमें मच्छर ना काट सके. और बहुत ही ज़्यादा शांति थी रात में.
I love these little things I always buy.
Oh, what is it?
Butter and jam.
पहली बार हमने बर्ड को सुना और यहाँ हवा बहुत तेज चल रही है. वाह, मौसम बहुत प्यारा है, धूप निकल रही है. सोल से अलग बहुत ही शांति है यहाँ पे. अब हम जा रहे हैं बीच, in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, I like this place. It reminds Reminds me India. We have bird. Hello chickens. Spider. Make me spider woman please. It's like Jeju when we went to Jeju.
Going down. Ooh, that's the Maliko thing. I don't know.
Oh wow.
Usually it's like water coming and music.
Wow. Nobody is here. Oh yeah, I can see people now. There. It's beautiful. Let's go there. Hello, we are coming. Now let's go back and eat something. Today we are going to eat here. It smells so bad. In India we call it chang without you inside. Everyone's foods arrived here.
If you turn it on, then people are gonna gather and they're gonna get all infected.
So we came to this cafe today and it's here. And today it's their resting time. View behind me. Wow, it's beautiful. This is Cholipo beach. Oh, it's like a hidden gem in Korea. अगर मेरे को time मिलता, पूरा दिन मेरे पास होता तो मैं उस island पे जरूर जाती. It's just clean beach. And there you can see island. We are going up to see the nice view. Oh, past this. Wow, so beautiful. They didn't cut any tree there in the middle too and here. So nice of them. We came from there and now you can see the nice view. We can go further from here too. I'm not wearing sunscreen today. I will burn my skin. I'm not going inside. I really want to go inside. It says it's danger. You can't go inside. We came to eat our cake. Hello? Hello? Hello bird! Where are we going?
Cafe Noi.
Cafe Hanoi?
What's the name of your cafe?
I'm in love with this city. They have real flowers there and you can buy that too. It looks delicious.
Pecan. Real banana, not dried banana.
It tastes like banana. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess. No way. So we came here to see farms. What are you? Cabbage? 양배추.
Oh, I want to eat it now. Do it.
아빠 소나가 아니라 소날이야 소날.
We can take it back to Seoul.
감사합니다.
73-day-old cabbage. Organic.
It's all organic. Yeah.
Anyway, they don't put any chemicals and stuff.
He's giving us too many things. He's so kind. Ah, 감사합니다. He's so nice. Basically turned this on only to show us.
Planted a ginkgo tree on purpose because the ginkgo tree leaves are sterilizing. They
Oh,
clean
wow.
the water, so when the leaves
Here he has rice farm here and then cabbage here. All farmers do like really hard work and he gave me cabbage and rice too. And meet his son. Meet my new friend. He's Ruran and he also makes Minecraft video. Subscribe and like his videos. It will be like good help because I can't return any favor to like his dad. Now we are going to see garlic and ginger farm. Beans. Fermented bean paste.
to make dubu and to make doenjang and to make
Wow.
cheonggukjeong.
여기 생강.
Ginger farm. Wow, this is ginger. Smell of fresh ginger. Oh my god. He's giving us everything. Oh my god, so kind of him. 감사합니다.
Deodorant for the house.
No, I can use in my tea.
It's a very
Clean.
yeah.
물 빠짐도 좋아해요.
Green
sensitive.
farming.
If it's something dirty, it won't grow.
이거
얘는 난
감사합니다.
5-year ginseng must be so expensive.
We can't get this now.
I think that's not his. At night, let's come back and.
Yeah.
아빠 눈
This is ginseng farm. It's 5 years old. It must be
This
so
much
expensive.
is $200,000.
Oh my, 200,000?
와.
Now, after seeing farms and everything, we are going to see where they store everything. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
아니면 제가 여기서 이렇게 촬영을 할까요?
In summer it gets cold and in winter it gets hot.
Always the same.
Yeah, same temperature, and it's good for ginger and garlic. This is spinach. And this is peanuts.
이거
Great.
한여름에는
In summer, we have to come back.
육종 마늘
Oh.
Jokes.
육종
6-part.
전국적으로 유명한
Oh my.
I really need to buy something now for him.
거잖아.
감사합니다.
We're gonna have to eat all of it for samgyeopsal. A new species of garlic is called hongsam maner, and it's like red ginseng garlic. More effective for how do you say? It's
Yeah,
more
interesting.
anti-carcinogens.
Like the-
Green at the end. The feature of it. It lowers
일반-
cholesterol. It lowers the cancer level. Good for fighting cancer. 5
많다고.
times more effective for cancer. For
Oh, wow.
cancer prevention than the regular. So it's quite expensive. It's only 2-3 years old, this new species. Last
올해,
year,
예, 그러니까
they really had a hard time finding the seed, and now the regular
이제
people don't know it.
인도네시아에서
Yeah, meow. Bye.
여기 봐봐요.
You can see close
see.
up.
Listen, garlic.
Hello, I'm Sonal's new friend Rurun, and nice to meet you.
This is the new one.
먹어도 돼 이거.
Ah,
안 매운
감사합니다. We have green onions.
Spinach. Oh, sangchu.
상추.
Sangchu! You eat this with samgyeopsal.
Hey Sonal,
Yes.
this place have a big pumpkin.
Oh wow. Wow. I feel like I'm in India. I don't feel like I'm in Korea. Seriously. People are so kind. Someone is paragliding. No. Okay, bye. I'm not coming to you, sorry.
Sonal!
이거 가지라 이거. 천천히 가니까
Okay.
한번 해봐요.
So,
소나가 트랙터 운전을 합니다. 자, 앞으로 해서 밀어주세요.
네.
그럼 갑니다.
브레이크 어디예요?
브레이크 없어요. 이거 다시 떼면은 멈춰져요. 그리고 악셀레터를 살짝 올려볼까요? 오케이. 이렇게 로타리가 잘 쳐지는 겁니다. 아, 소니아 운전 잘하는데요. 소감이 어떻습니까? 오케이. 그리고 사이드 채워주세요. 여기 손으로. 오케이. 자, 잘하셨습니다.
Let's go back to home.
Too much fun.
We received so many gifts, and he also invited us for dinner. Korean government wants her to do something with this land, like farming or something. Don't waste, don't leave it empty, because Korea doesn't have so much land and they need to utilize all their farming land. Tomorrow I will help her with taking out the weed, and we left this open and nobody came to steal my stuff. So this is the main area, and we have chimney, and then this is the entry gate, and we have room when you enter. We have another room here, and this is me, and then we have washroom here. We have our room, and we have tent inside because of mosquitoes. This is kitchen area, and then we have secret passage. मैं यहाँ रात में आई थी और मैंने इसे देखा और मैं डर गई, और मैं अभी भी डर गई. So scary. No. And then storage room. Hey guys, so now we are making sangria. हमारे पास सारी चीजें मिल गई हैं जो भी हमें चाहिए थी sangria बनाने के लिए. यहाँ वाइन रखी हुई थी, तो और यहाँ लेमन भी थे और एप्पल भी थे, तो सब मिल गया. और ये इसका ओपनर नहीं मिल रहा था, पर हमने ढूंढा, वो मिल गया. This is product of Spain. This is orange juice. So maybe that's enough. Okay. This is our sangria. Now we have to keep it in our fridge. And this is now resting in fridge. This time we are going E-Mart to buy some snacks or something, and also wine glass for our sangria. Yes. We need this for our sangria. And how much is it? 5,000? 2 glasses? Wow. So I bought this for Sojong-woo, the boy we met earlier. It looks a little bit scary. You can't see anything, but we have so many farms here. Okay. Do you like choco pie?
Yes.
So I'm gonna cry too.
Hello. Again. This is his home. And his younger brother inside in there.
Their height measurement.
We have to come like a few more times and then he's not going to be shy.
그러니까 겉하는 것도.
So we made sangria and now it's time to taste our sangria. Yes.
It's good. Mogi.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video and this is day 3. All the pelara, you can see my clothes, my makeup. Our mission is successful and now we can have our barbecue peacefully. Before going back, we are going to another beach today. So now I'm drinking this for more energy. Oh yeah, mask 있어요.
Okay.
Hey guys, now we are going there. People are catching mussels. This is our second beach and the name of the beach is Gangwaldo. This beach is different. It's not like... Oh, she's so ready.
고기가 저렇게 들어와요.
They're breeding. That's why.
Yeah, their homes. Oh, something. I saw something.
It's a crab.
Oh, really? Baby crab.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Sea view, and then this is our cafe time now. We will drink coffee or something. Hello? Meow meow meow.
Humans.
I think this is mine. I ordered green tea latte. Wow.
Oh, it smells so good.
So beautiful. Hello, goat. Okay, bye.